Local architecture firm Romero de la Mora has crafted a stunning holiday retreat, Casa Camelia, located just outside Mexico City in Tepeji del Río. Completed in 2021 at the Amanali Country Club and Nautica, this expansive home combines concrete and wood elements to create a modern yet warm aesthetic. Spanning 455 square meters, Casa Camelia features a U-shaped design with all recreational areas positioned along the perimeter. This layout allows the house to open up in 4 directions, inviting in ample light, fresh air, and panoramic views of the surrounding golf course. Inspired by a desire to blend open spaces with nature, the architects incorporated Mexican craftsmanship and a mix of materials into the design. Light-colored concrete, reminiscent of the site's earth, forms the structure, while warm wooden beams adorn the ceilings, emphasizing the spaciousness of the double-height rooms. Inside, the living area is sunken, allowing occupants to lounge at floor level while surrounded by windows. The transition between indoor and outdoor spaces is seamless, with ceiling beams extending past the kitchen's sliding glass walls. The material palette, chosen for durability and ease of maintenance, includes sand-colored chukum and stone cladding, floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding glass walls, framed in sleek black metal, further connect the interior with the landscape. Delicate metal railings on the bedroom balconies add to the elegant aesthetic. Terraces offer both open-air and walled areas for privacy. The eastern terrace serves as a thermal buffer, helping regulate temperatures inside the house. Combined with the layout's cross-ventilation, this design eliminates the need for mechanical heating and cooling systems.